Okay, 5.13, converting for loop to while loop and also to while loop. Okay, so we start with sum equal to 0. We have a for loop I equal to 0 one at a time until I is less than or equal to 1000. So if you're looking at here, sum start from 0, so basically 0 to 1000 plus 1. So answer should be 1001. Okay, let me print the answer before I do for loop and then converting for loop to while loop and to while loop. Okay, let's look at the sum. Yeah, here you go, 1001. So if you convert the first one, okay, instead of using for loop, okay, let me use while loop. Let's make a comment here. While, okay, simply the condition is here. Okay, I less than or equal to 1000, then we are adding that. So we need to make sure we can have initial value for I. Okay, that should appear here. Okay, you need to consider I++, that should be here. Okay, so initial value, conditions, then there's an increments I++. So answer should be same, 1001. Okay, to while loop, we are going to have that condition underneath. So let me make a comment. Initial I equal to 0 is still there. Okay, 2. This is what we are trying to do. This is what we are trying to do. Condition, here is the conditions. And we need to have a semicolon. So that's it for to while loop. And same answer, 1001. Okay. That's all. Thank you.